Yes, guys. We got a match today. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, manje sinematch mfana, sinematch funeka siyiwine le. Kula match ayizolo sikhiwe 7-9 and ayikho la kakuba idlala izolo.
Hlakanipho, you're going to play as a left wing. You, Sange, right wing. Are you comfortable with that position? Yes.
Yebo, theni futhi udlale wing. Uyazazi with ibhola senikhube ndifaka istena ke mna. Wena ongena epalini ungalagqithi. Wena uyidefender wena, ubambhola uyigqoma phambili. Wena ungene wing weak kakhulu.
Next time, Hlakanipho, next time. You're going to score next time.
Ekwathini uqhutya njani ibhola enje? Yes. Weak man. Inhlakanipho walihlala apha eligama udonga ngaka. Yilokhu ungale bethi ipanensi akukuthi. Hey hayi man, awufika fakisela endaweni yakho.
Penalty, ref. It's a penalty. Why, ref?
Ref, njengali bakutheke 10 rand nini? Lipenalty le kanye mabrayeli so sayizakwazi uhlala lapha ke thina. Sayenza utheni ngo?
Hlakanipho, are you not feeling tired? Don't you want me to make subs? Yes.
Hayi kwathini ujinwa njani week? Uyabona ke uzaphuma ungena istene endaweni yakho cause awunamsebenzi baleni uhleli week. Ubudinwa khawungena uthi wafuna uphuma. Ngoku.
Hlakanipho, are you thirsty?
Yes, coach, I'm just.
Okay. Oh man, please bring a Coca-Cola to drink.
Nqaliwe.
Yes, coach.
Unqala njani kodini week? Ginyamathi uqole kodwa kwakho uzathi ufumana amanzi. Ginyamathi bona bona amathe. Hayi asiqaba unqaniwe apha ebaleni udlala nomchamo. Yeah.
2-1 points. Good luck. Next time. But ref, you're costing us.
Yo, sityiwa njani 2-1? Sityiwa 2-1 efana 7-0, 3 points gone. Yeke, sabe so skip ningenokuhamba ebaleni ngathi week. Sabe so skip. Subscribe, share and like videos zethu. Watch more videos. Sabe so skip on. Asikagquma substitute.